Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today's our topic is conversion of units. Some units are given that you have to remember. I hope you know all this, but for the revision sake we will finish it in a few seconds. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. 1 month has 30 or 31 days except February, because February has 28 or the 29 days. 1 month has how many weeks? 4 weeks and a few more days, or few more days means 4 weeks and some days after that. Then 1 week has 7 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour has 60 minutes. February has 28 days or 29 days. 28 days it normally has, and in leap year it has 29 days. So examples are given. Convert 2 years into months. So as we know, 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So as they ask 2 years, so 2 years is equal to 12 into 2. So 12 into 2 is 24 months. Example 2, convert 3 years into days. So as we know, 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. So 1 year is equal to 365 days. So as we have to find 3 years, so we will do the multiplication over here. So 3 years is equal to 365 into 3. So I hope you know the multiplication. 365 into 3, the answer is 1095 days. Next example, convert 4 months into days. So as 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 days. So 4 months have 30 into 4. 30 into 4 is 120 days. Convert 5 weeks into days. So as 1 week has 7 days, so 5 weeks is equal to 7 into 5. 7 multiplied by 5. So 7 5s are 35 days. So this is how you have to do the calculations or the conversions. So we will start our exercise 5.5. First, convert into months. So examples are given and that you have to convert into the months. So first is given 5 years. So as we know, 1 year is equal to how many months? As they ask for the months, so we will count 1 year into months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So as 12 months are there in 1 week, so 5 years have how many weeks? So 5 year is equal to 12 into 5. So 12 multiplied by, so you have to say the 12's table up to 5. So 12 5s are 60. So 60 months. So your answer is here 60 months. So 5 years has how many months? 60 months. Next, 7 years. So again, 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. So 7 years is equal to what? 7 years. So what you will do? 12 multiplied by how many years they ask? 7. So 12 multiplied by 7. So count the 12's table up to 7th place. So 12 sevens are 84 months. So for this you need to learn your tables. 84 months. Then only you can find out the answer. Now next is 9 years. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 9 years is equal to how many? 9 years is equal to 12. We will take as it is, and how many they ask? 9. So 12 multiplied by 9, and 12 nines are that you have to find. So 12 nines are 108 months. So 9 years has how many months? 108 months. So this is how you can solve the conversion sums. I hope you can do the last one. We'll go for next. Question number 2 is convert into days. So now we have to convert the given sum into days. So first is given 2 years. So as we know, 1 year is equal to how many days? 1 year is equal to 365 days, right? So 365 days. So as they ask for how many years? 2 years. So 2 years is equal to what? That is 2 into 365. So we have to multiply it over here. So you will multiply 2 by every digit of 365 starting from ones place. Here I show you how will you multiply 2 with every digit of 365 starting from ones column. So 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10, 0 and 1 carry to its next. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 and 13, 1 carry over to its next. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 carry over is 7. So what is your answer over here? 730. So here you will write 730 days. I hope you understand this. For this you have to learn your tables and you have to do the multiplication over here. Now next is B 5 months. So months. So as 1 month has how many days? 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 5 months is equal to what? 5 months is equal to 30 multiplied by 5. So you have to count 30 stable up to 5th place. So 3 5s are 15 and remaining zeros. So 150 days. If you don't know how to do this, so you will roughly multiply the given sum as we have seen here. Next is C 8 weeks. So 1 week is equal to how many days? As they are asking for days, that's why we are doing the given calculation in days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 8 weeks is equal to how many days? 8 weeks is equal to 8 multiplied by 7. So count 7 stable up to 8th place. 7 8s are 56 days. So this is how you can solve the given conversions into days. I hope you can do the rest of the sums.